Welcome to Dania's Corner, where tech always makes sense. Alright, let's get this done. Installing software should always be done carefully to avoid malware or unwanted junk. Here's a simple guide to doing it safely. Only download from trusted sources. The safest place to get software is the official website or a reputable app store like the Microsoft Store or Mac App Store. Avoid sketchy third-party download sites that bundle in extra programs. Check system requirements. Before you download, quickly check the system requirements to make sure your computer can handle the software without any issues. Choose custom installation and read carefully. When you run the installer, always choose the custom or advanced installation instead of express or recommended. This is the most important step. Uncheck extra programs. In the custom installation menu, carefully read every screen. Uncheck any boxes for optional toolbars, search engines, or unrelated programs you don't need. Verify administrator permissions. If the software asks for administrator permissions, make sure you trust it before clicking yes. If you downloaded it from an unknown site, be cautious. Run a quick scan. After the installation is complete, it's a good practice to run a quick antivirus scan on the new program just to be safe. Keep your software updated. Always keep your software updated to get the latest features and, more importantly, the latest security patches. Uninstall unwanted programs. If you accidentally install something you don't want, go to your control panel or applications folder and uninstall it immediately. By taking these precautions, you'll keep your computer safe while still getting the tools you need. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for tuning in to Dania's Corner, where tech always makes sense.